Hello, welcome to Seam Saturday. Today we're going to make a candle. In your kit from the library, you'll have gotten some wax, a cup, a wick, and a chopstick. First thing you want to do is loop your wick around the chopstick and so that the bottom of the candle sits on the bottom of your small cup. If you have some leftover crayons at home, you might want to add a couple crayon shavings to your wax to give it some color. I'm going to use my scissors and just shave off a little bit of the crayon in there because it'll melt better if you make little bits, but you can also kind of throw little bits of crayon in there. There we go. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to melt your wax. There are two main ways to do this. The first one is to do it in the microwave with some supervision, and the other way is to do it over a double boiler. And a double boiler is when you use two pots or a pot and a bowl, and the bottom one is filled with boiling water, and the top one is where you put your materials that you want to melt, whether it's wax or chocolate. And you use a double boiler when you don't want your material to be kind of directly over the flame because it will burn easily. I'm going to melt this wax in the microwave and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back from microwaving my wax. Now I microwaved my wax for about 3.5 minutes, and I took a couple stops to stir it. Now you can see that this cup was completely full, but now that it's melted, it's kind of half full. The next thing we want to do is make sure that our wick is in the middle of the cup, and then we want to slowly pour our wax into the cup. There we go. Now if your wick moves around, that's fine because you can still move it. It's still very liquidy. So now we're going to leave this for a couple hours, maybe overnight, for the wax to harden. When the wax hardens, what we'll do is peel the paper cup off, and then we'll have a candle. So see you tomorrow. So it's the next day, and I'm going to unwrap my candle. I'm going to use a pair of scissors to kind of get started here. And then I'm just going to peel away the paper cup. And if you remember, I put a couple blue shavings in my candle to make it this beautiful light blue color. And then you can light it or just keep it around for decoration. Thanks for joining me. See you next week. Bye-bye.